Hello everyone, my name is Gilda and this is my husband Eric. He's going to be helping me with performing a taping of a sprained thumb. And the purpose of the sprained thumb is because we're helping stabilize the ulnar collateral ligament, which is in the medial aspect of the thumb right over here. And we're going to help with stabilizing. We're going to be doing some exercises, rehabilitation exercises. The first one that will help strengthen that thumb will be opposition, which he will be moving each thumb connecting to each tip of the finger, and he will be doing that exercise. He's going to be doing 4 sets for 10 repetitions 4 times a day, so it can help with that strengthening and the range of motion. The next exercise he will be performing, and we don't have it at the moment, but we'll be picking up small objects from starting with the thumb as well and moving towards each finger. So he'll be picking up those small little objects which will also help with dexterity. So let's go ahead and start with this taping. Before we begin, and I hand him over the camera, I'm just going to help put this so it can help with decrease on friction, and so that way it doesn't also irritate some of the taping that we're going to be adding right now. Okay, if I can have you hold this, please. Okay, so what we're going to do here is that we're going to start with, first we're going to have you obviously relax your hand, and then next we're going to start with 2 anchors. The first one is going to be at the wrist. And the next one is going to be at the tip of the thumb, but I'm actually going to cut it in half. Oh, your thumb is actually bigger, sorry. And then next I'm going to be adding 4 splint strips where the injury would be, which in this case we're going to pretend it's at the dorsal aspect. So we're going to start from the tip of the thumb, connecting it to where the wrist is. So that's going to be 1. And this is going to help with some of that stabilization. And the next, we're going to lock it in place, starting with 1 at the wrist. And then, again, we're going to do the one at the thumb. I guess let's start back with this one. And I'm going to cut it in half again. Just so we can secure it in place. After that, I'm going to be adding 3 thumb spica splints, but we're going to start in the medial aspect of the ulna, because right here the radius is the lateral aspect, so we're going to start medial aspect. We're going to go around the thumb to the anterior aspect of the hand, go around the thumb, and then go around, and we're gonna stop right where we started. Sorry. I think I did that right. And just make sure we have that webbing right there. We have to make sure that it's not going to be causing irritation. It's not going to cause irritation. This tape is not working well with me today. And then the last one, again at the medial aspect, going anteriorly around the thumb through the Weber spacing that we have right over here, and going underneath the thumb on this part, going around the wrist and right back where we started. And each of these, the thumb spicas should be overlapping a little bit. So this will be helping with the stabilization. Thank you.